Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did passion twists. Yes, this tutorial is going to be about how I did my bob passion twist. I had initially wanted to install them individually throughout my head, but you guys, I was terrified by the mass of the air that I was going to handle. So I'm like, maybe we need to find a shorter route, which was what I did here. And if you want to know what it is that I did, please keep on watching. And by the way, I want to say a big welcome to anyone who is watching me for the very first time. I really do appreciate that you stopped by and clicked to watch my video, and I hope you end up subscribing to my channel. And I hope you also give me a huge thumbs up, because this helps to help my video get across to more people. So yeah, keep watching. So instead of installing the passion twist individually throughout my head, I decided to do the crochet method in the middle of my head and then install the passion twist individually at the back of my head and in front as well. So that way it looks sort of natural. In short, it looks very natural. It looks as if I had the passion twist installed individually throughout my head. In short, people kept on asking, really, you did this yourself? And I'm like, yeah. If you want to cut this hair, be mindful of the length that you're cutting it to. Make sure you do not cut the hair when you're pulling at it, like, because this hair tends to spring back up, like it's quite bouncy. So if you cut the bob length you want while pulling at the hair, you tend to overcut the hair, and the outcome will be like too short compared to what you initially wanted. So what I did was cut gradually into the hair. So when you cut up to a particular safe length, yes, I call it a safe length. So when you cut up to a particular safe length, you allow the hair to bounce back up. Then you can check to see if that length is good enough for you. If not, then you know how much more to cut off, and then you can now work with that length throughout the rest of the hair.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So the hair that I used for this hairstyle is the Darling Passion Twist hair in color 1. Bought about 5 packs, and then I ended up using 4.5 packs of the Passion Twist hair, and that's the color 1. And I also had like this color 28 ombre passion twist I bought like 2 years ago from AliExpress. So I used a few strands from there just to add some dimension to the hair. That's why you can see some brownish blondish highlights here and there. So yes, in front of the hair, that was where I added those. And so let's just say I use 4.5 packs of passion twist hair to achieve this look.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
So as of the time of making this voiceover, my hair is now almost 3 weeks old, and for caring for the hair, what I just do is apply foaming mousse like twice in a week, and try as much as possible to spray a leave-in conditioner into my hair like as often as I can, really. Sometimes I do it every other day, sometimes, well, just twice in a week. So that's all I've been doing. And also I apply a egg root oil on my edges and around my scalp generally. So that's what I've been doing. And yeah, that's what I've been doing basically. But right now the texture of the passion twist hair is looking more like kinky as it gets older. So if that's some kind of look that you would love to go for, then yeah, go for it, girl.
But if in time
So I just basically wanted to tell you how I've been caring for the hair. And yeah,
the world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
oh, you guys, one more thing. I did not apply like the braiding hair gel throughout my hair because I was avoiding build-ups. I just did not care for it for this particular look. So, but however, I would have loved to slay my edges if not for anything. Like, I like the slayed edges look, like, but I've not been quite lucky to find the perfect edge control that would stick down my 4C hair. So I don't mind if anyone who has tried any good one that I can get my hands on here in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you have any suggestions as to good edge control that works for coarse 4C hair, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be looking out for it. I really do want to try some new ones. The ones I have either melt away or leave white residues, so like I'm not about to do that. So that's why I did not bother with slaying my edges in this video. So but if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Okay, thank you.
Shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday.
So that's it. I'm done twisting my hair, and now I'm adding some hair mousse to give the hair some shine. And yeah, that's all there is to this look. Like I mentioned, please leave me some edge control recommendations down below in the comment section, okay? I really need to start staying my edges, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you watched it this far, I really do appreciate your time. And please do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share the video with your friends, and I will catch you on my very next one. Bye.